Okay, hello everybody. This is Mike Overstreet here again. So this is just my continued series of classes, lessons, instruction videos on how to use programming and robotics, STEM, stream education programs. So as you can see today, we're going to work on or use the EV3 brick from Lego. So think of this as a hello world program for the Lego. So let me share my screen and just jump into programming. And we're gonna, so what happened was we're gonna continue to use the MakeCode by Microsoft. So I've been exploring this the MakeCode, the online web service program GUI interface, and we're using the microbit, but also see that you could also use the Lego EV3. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a quick hello world program instructional video on how to use MakeCode and with the Lego EV3. Now, I've heard some rumors that Lego's going to come out with a all new brick and robot by Christmas. So hopefully that will happen, because I think the Lego brick is getting almost 10 years old. Maybe off by a few years, but it's been around for a while. It's not quite as capable as some other platforms, but it's still pretty cool. And with the ability to use this MakeCode, it just makes programming it so much easier. So, let's start on working on a hello world program. So I'll have a link to MakeCode and description of this video when I post it. So we're going to start a new project. I'm going to call it Hello World. And we're going to use blocks code here. I'll show you what JavaScript looks like after we get everything done. So we got like basically a forever loop. And actually, let's do it on, let's try something a little bit different. On button. Here we go. Show a string. Hello world. That's already there. But you can change this if you want. Pretty easy. Change the text. And you can change the line number of the text. Little scroll bar. Let's put it in the middle. So let's do the right button, and then on press. So you can do press, bump, release, and you can choose what button starts the code, and then it shows the string. Then we're gonna. This is pretty cool. You can actually. Where is it? Yeah. Let's play a sound effect. So I'm printing a string here, then I'm going to play a sound effect. And there's all kinds of really cool things you can do. Kind of go through them. Forward, down. Pretty cool.
EV3. Hi, hello.
Okay, so we're going to have credit text say hello, and then we're going to have it pause. So basically, we're going to have it perform these two actions and then pause until we click the right button again. And then just for good measure, we're going to have it exit the program. So that's pretty simple, straightforward. Just so we're going to, on a button press with the right button, it's going to print out hello world in the middle of the screen, and it's going to say hello. Then basically the program will pause until we hit the right button again, and then it will exit the program. Pretty simple, straightforward for hello world program. So let's just check out what JavaScript is. So that's what's really cool about this MakeCode, is it allows you to program in blocks and then see what the JavaScript's going to be for the Lego EV3. See what JavaScript's like, and which is pretty cool. So brick class button press on event. So that means basically when you press the button, you call this method, you pass in the parameters, which is button press equal to 4, which I guess is the right button. Looks like you call the function. Then the brick class show string hello world start on line 5. Music, basically play sound effects. Sound, pass in sound. You want to say the hello and the sound, play sound effects method. And then the brick basically come again, the brick, press the right button, which is 4. And basically you pause, don't do anything, and then you press the right button, and then basically you exit the program. Pretty straightforward, pretty cool. Just kind of want to show you how to do everything. So go back to blocks. Okay. So that's what it looks like in blocks. Now there is no save button. Oh, the cool thing is that you can use this little GUI interface, whatever, to see what the program is going to do. So let's just kind of walk it through before we download it. That's the right button.
Hello.
So it prints and says hello. Then on another press of the right button, exits the program.
Hello.
Pretty straightforward, so we know. Looks like the code's going to work the way we want it to, which is pretty cool. I like this kind of preview little interface that it's included with MakeCode. Okay. So now we're going to, this may be hard to see, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen and download the program to the Lego brick. And, and you do that by pressing the download button here on the lower left-hand corner. But before you do that, okay, this could be kind of hard to see. Let's see if I get the screens right. So micro USB, it's B maybe? Not your standard micro USB connection, but that's how you get up to your laptop or computer. there's the port on the Lego brick. The little window sound saying it's connected. Let's see if I can make this so you can see the screen without too much glare. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to MakeCode and hit the download button. Oh yeah, let me show you the screen, show you what I'm doing. Okay, this is a little bit different. So when I hit the download button, it creates the file, this UF2 file. You can see down here at the basically downloaded to my laptop. Let's do that again so you can see it. So you go down to the lower left-hand corner, hit download. It creates the file for you, downloads it to your laptop, which is a UF2 file. Something. Okay. So you don't have to create the file again. You've already created the file. You just say, got it. Now, what you do is you want to use Windows File Manager Explorer. Show the file and folder. So this is Windows File Manager. So these are the two files it created. This is the UF2 file. So you're going to want to click and drag. See, there's the EV3. That's the F drive. So you want to now left click, drag, and then drop the file. There it goes. Okay. That's pretty simple. I think it's still downloading. That's why you're not seeing anything. There it goes. So the EV3 is back in File Manager. So it looks like it got downloaded. It just takes a little bit of time. EV3 is a little slower than some more up-to-date hardware. Okay, let me stop sharing my screen now. Okay. Let's press the start grid button. Okay. Oh, my bad. Let me do that again. I had my Lego sequence out of set. So and then you can see it here. Hopefully you can see the screen here. I'm just going to the file. And you see it, there's a hello world file that I just downloaded. It's kind of hard to see, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it so you don't get any glare. Navigate down. Okay. So hopefully I did not confuse everybody. So now the program is now running. Now I'm going to hit the right button. Kind of hard to hear. But it said hello. Prints out hello world. Then the right button again, and it stops. You can also run it off here, off this screen, which is the run screen. So there's hello world. I know it's kind of glare is so bad. There you go. There you go. Pretty simple, straightforward. That's why I like MakeCode. So this is the Hello World program. Download for and run for the EV3 Lego. So I'll post these videos on YouTube, Facebook, and so on. So if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, did I do something that didn't make sense or kind of confusing, just leave a comment and I'll get back with you, or send me a text or email. If you have any suggestions how to make these videos better, please, by all means, comment on the video or send me a text or email. I'm always open to suggestions. And cool. Hopefully I see you in my next video, lesson tutorial, and cool. So thanks for watching again. Bye.